Hello everyone and welcome to Cyber War. Today we are creating some macros in Excel and we're going to use OpenAI directly in Microsoft Excel. No add-ins, nothing premium, you're only paying for your API. So go to openai.com, get your API key, link in the description. Then open Microsoft Excel. Now that you have Excel open, go to Developer Visual Basic and wait, in Visual Basic you will create two macros and you go insert module, save. When you save, make sure to save as uh, Excel macro enabled workbook. And then go again, insert module, paste the second code. You have a link in the description. Save again. And now go back to your Excel file. You are back in the Excel file. And then you have the function right here, I don't know, John, and here the function is GPT for O, and then you can use it like this: write a poem about, and then go A1, and sorry, it's an O here, not a 0. And of course it does not work because we didn't put the API key. So we need to put an API key here. Let me just put it there. Don't bother trying it because I will delete it afterwards. And now let's go back to our normal file, the Excel file here, and okay. So it actually wrote something, but okay, you need to wrap text or whatever. So that's it. You can now put your data here and use the function to process all of it. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day.